Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And today I'm going to be doing a daily upload like I always do, just updating you guys on my portfolio. So before I get into it, I really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet, so you guys can follow me on my journey where I'm growing $200 up until $1 million. That's right, you heard it correctly, $1 million. And how I plan to do this is basically growing 5% every week. But if it is even a bit slower, I'd still be happy to hit that goal within even 5 years. So, getting into the video, the stocks that I traded today, I didn't really trade. Yesterday, I opened up a few free stocks that I had, and I wasn't so lucky. I got like some of the cheapest stocks that are out there. So I got a total of around, this would be $5, $8.50 worth of stocks. So right here, you can see TRXC, one of the stocks actually went up a whopping 6% today. AKS Steel right here is about break even, and Groupon was up around 2% today. But the stock that I'm trading myself, I didn't open from a free stock, was TQQQ. That's right, TQQQ. It's hard to pronounce really fast, but this tracks like the overall stock market, and I'm swinging this stock because usually when it dips down, I can see that it dips down to the support. It almost always bounces back up within a few days, and the bounce is actually pretty profitable. It's around 10 to 12% if you catch it at the right time. And right now I'm up around 2% on it, which is not bad. And if it dips down lower, I wonder what the free stocks, if I sell the free stocks, I may have enough money to buy another share. Let's see. If I were to buy right now, $44 plus 8, no, I wouldn't be able to buy another share, but it would be pretty close. But I'm also watching another stock really closely. This isn't for real trading, because I can't afford it yet. But Tesla right now, I was just looking at it. We drew some charts on it on our live streams, but right now it's actually looking like it's almost at the best buy point. It's looking to bounce down either tomorrow or not tomorrow. I mean Monday. If it does bounce down, then it'd be like right at the support, so I'd consider buying there for sure, around 255. But if it does break above, that means it's starting to rebound and start making its way back to the resistance, and it would still have the potential to go up. One second. It would still have the potential to go up to around even $370, or just to be more conservative, $350, $340, something like that. So it has definitely a huge profit margin, and if we were to swing it, we'd definitely be very, very profitable on that one. Some stocks that I haven't been recently trading that I did trade before were DGAS, oil. I'm still watching oil pretty closely, but I just can't tell where it's going. I mean, I saw that I was going to probably bounce up today, and it did bounce up today, but it wasn't super profitable, but it's always something, I guess. But I'm just waiting for oil to start crashing, because right now it just keeps bouncing up and down between these tiny little margins. So I'm just watching that really closely. But another huge, huge opportunity. So this is going to be a pretty big opportunity if we catch the wave, is UGAS and DGAS. Right now, if we look at natural gas is at almost its usual low point wherever it bounces up from. Whenever it gets down to around where it is right now, let's say UGAS is $29, but usually when natural gas is around $2.6, then it's the lowest point and usually bounces up. So that means that UGAS would be a very, very good buy. I'm just waiting for it to start curling back up, confirm the reversal. I'll buy in a few shares probably, and the profit margins on this it could be anything technically, because sometimes it has a small bounce where it's like 10%, but if we were to catch the bounce from, let's say, $29 up until, let's say, conservatively $33, $34, $35, so that's around, let's say maybe $4 to $6, correct? $4 to $6, which would be around 10 to 20% profit margin on one stock. So I'm watching UGAS really closely. And it still has a potential to actually make a bigger bounce, possibly even like reaching highs of where it did before at around $37. So that'd be $8 of profit per share, which would lead up to around 25% profit, which is enormous. At least in my opinion, that's enormous for just a swing trade, if it were to go up to $37. So that's going to be it for today's video. That's going to be all. I'm pretty sure that tomorrow I mean, tomorrow is Saturday. Yeah, tomorrow I'm probably going to do a live stream, or Sunday if you guys would like to tune in. Just a weekend stock talk, and you guys can bring in stocks that we can talk about, analyze live. So I really appreciate if you guys could tune into that. And that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I hope you guys also have a fantastic weekend. Thanks for watching.